The Executive Secretary of the Federal Capital Development Authority (FCDA), Engineer Shehu Ahmad, during a press briefing in his office, explained that despite the agitations from the public to remodel the National Assembly complex, the enormity of work required for a world-class parliament building is such that should not be rushed so as to avoid past mistakes, deliver excellent and lasting results to permanently resolve the challenges of leaky roofs and inconvenient seating arrangements, among others.
It's not about how fast you give out something, but what best comes out of it. So we have gone to see, for example, the parliament in Rome. We are told that was constructed in the 17th century. But they are using it in the 21st century with some few modifications and adjustments. And this is what we are trying to take to introduce here. We've seen the economic, that is the European Union Commission in Brussels, which is as it is now, based on the 20th or 21st century concept. We are trying to blend, to see that whatever Abuja has is the dream of having the best as it is elsewhere around the world.
Shehu also says the FCT Administration is working on providing access roads to Maitama II District in order to resolve the perennial traffic situation on the Abuja-Keffi route.
Bypass. It was a popular project, road project that we are trying to develop under PPPP in conjunction with national state government. The idea is to provide that alternative to come into the city.
Joy Igoche, ITV News.